Starting the class. Everyone join the session, please. Now look here. First, I am starting application of integrals. In application of integrals, few questions are there. They are asking. Some students has asked me some of the important contents say how this application of integral parts are coming. One question will be fixed from application of integrals. Some MCQ questions also we are going to discuss. See basics of application of integrals. We have one video. That video I am going to send in application of integrals. Now, important questions of applications of integral I am going to teach you how we are going to solve, because based on that, one question may come for your examination for application of integrals. So now let's start the class and understand what and all we have to do for application of integrals. Okay. Now the first part, nearly 10 to 15 questions in applications of integrals. Once you will be solving, you will be getting the idea of solving the question. See, there are some inequality based questions are also coming for application of integrals. That part I am going to discuss and solve. So now our first question is, okay, once you will be seeing the area of the region, just check this one out, area bounded by the curve. Area, first question, area bounded by the curve. Area bounded by the curve. If somebody will be asking you area bounded by the curve, y is equal to x cube. Okay. The x-axis, area bounded by the curve, the x-axis and the ordinates Now what and all ordinates we are talking about? X is equal to -2 and x equal to 1. So we have to find the area bounded by these regions. X is equal to -2 and x is equal to 1. Now what can be the expected answer for this? So now first work is we have to know the graph of y is equal to x cube. Okay. So first we have to draw the graph of y is equal to x cube. So for solution section, I hope who is there attending the class, can you tell me? Anyone attending the class only? I'm not willing to take classes for 12. They are very, very busy people. So now look here. So this is exactly the graph of y is equal to x cube. Now we have to make the region bounded. So when you are bounding the region, this part, they're telling that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 is bounding. So here it is coming as x is equal to 1 and here x equal to -2 is bounding the region. So here x equal to -2 bounding the region. X equal to 1 and x equal to -2 bounding the region here means we have to draw the line. These lines are exactly going to bound the region. This line and this part x equal to -2 will take it little near, x equal to, so this point we are going to consider as x equal to -2. So x equal to -2 is going to bound the region and x is equal to 1 is going to bound the region. So when x equal to 1 and x equal to -2 is bounding the region, so x is equal to, so this point, this dotted point will come and this region will come. So this is the region we have to find the bounded part. So now we are going to find the intersecting point. So this is exactly the bounded region. So this is O, we can take it as A, this is taken as B, this part is taken as O, here it will be taken as C, and this part will be taken as D. So this is the bounded sections O, A, B, O, C, D. So this is the bounded part. So once you are writing the bounded section, so this is exactly going to be the part whose area you have to find. Okay. So now what in all work is needed? These are the bounded regions. So area of this part only you have to find. Now next work is what? We know that area of the bounded. So area will be exactly, area of bounded region will be area of OCD plus area of OAB. So these two areas we are going to find. So what is our equation? Our equation is this one. See, our equation part is written as, see, some basic concepts I am going to explain you so that it will become easy for you. Now look here. This is below x-axis and this is above x-axis. One thing you must remember, that whenever you do something and you are writing above x-axis and below x-axis means this will be considered as negative, and above x-axis when you will be writing, the region will be considered as positive. The lower area of this equal to, so we are going to slice the region into rectangular strips. See, statement writing is very important. So I'm just writing the statement part. So slicing the region into rectangular strips. So now we are going to slice the region into rectangular strips. Understood? So slicing the region into rectangular strip so that the strip can move from this to this. So approximating the rectangle from 0 to A, approximating the rectangle between 0 to D. This is the statement you have to write. Understood? Required area is like that only you need to write, but statement was, what is the statement I said? Statement wise you have to write approximating. So we slice the region into rectangular strips. What we have to write? We slice the region into rectangular strips. After that, we have to write, so we slice the region into rectangular strips. Okay. Now approximating the rectangle, so when we approximate the rectangle, length will become what and width will become what? So length will be taken as, this width will be taken as dx, length will be taken as y. So length will be considered as modulus of y and width will be considered as dx. So area, whenever you will be finding, this will become y dx. Understood? So this is a way, Watson, this is a very important part, beta. We need to understand that. Right on, Watson, this is the basics of application of integral. So whatever part is there, we need to write like first this, like, okay, this is the part, even slice the region into rectangular strips. After that, approximating the rectangle, length is equal to modulus of y and width is equal to dx. So area will be coming as modulus, Sivaranjani, modulus of y dx part is written. Now solve. Sivaranjani, today's sessions, whatever math session I am keeping, your main focus should be to solve and give me the answer so that I will get a confidence. Okay, that you are eligible to get the entire marks. So OCDA. So now you start solving the question. So total area will be divided into two regions here. This is the first region and this is the second region. In first region, if you will see, it is coming from this part. So see, x is coming as -2 to 0. Understood? So here our lower limit is -2 to 0 modulus of y dx plus here 0 to 1, 0 to 1 modulus of y dx. Now beta, always remember here only maximum mistake will be done. The first part is, since the region is below x-axis, The region is below x-axis. Modulus of y, because this is coming from the same curve now. Since it is coming from the same curve, modulus of y will become minus x cube dx. Okay, minus 2 to 0 plus here it will become 0 to 1 x cube dx. Now this region area only you have to find. So this is the most important part. Good afternoon. So this is the most important part and we need to solve this nicely, perfectly we need to find. Okay. Hmm. So this is the most important part. Second section we are going to do. So here it will become minus x to the power 4 by 4. Okay. And this part will come as minus 2, 0 to minus 2. And here it is coming as x to the power 4 by 4. Because minus is there, so minus part will be written. After this, what next work we are going to do is, we will be writing 0 to 1. Calculate and give me the value. At least calculation part you children can do. Chalo, tell me the value. After calculation, tell me the value. Shivaranjani, Shivatsan, give me the value for calculation. So answer is coming as 15 by 4. Little calculation one time check beta. What's some calculation is coming how much beta? Check one time. So now check this part out. Modulus section, because here negative section is going to remove. Answer is coming as how much? Now let's solve this part. There is a limit of everything. 1 o'clock I gave. What is the time you are reaching? 2 o'clock. This part will become 0 minus of, minus came out. Here it is coming. Minus 2 to the power 4 by 4 plus 1 by 2. This will become plus. So it is coming as how much beta? It will come as 17 by 4. Calculation part one more time check beta. The answer is coming as 17 by 4 square units because they have asked area. So 17 by 4 square units. So some questions are there. That question doubt is there. That question doubts are there. That question please kindly solve. Let's see. First part is application of integral. I have started. In application of integral, I am explaining the most important part. Please kindly check this one out. Okay. So whenever somebody will ask you questions related to application of integrals, how we are going to proceed and solve. Today I am going to solve some questions. Kindly check these questions out. First, applications of integrals related case-based studies also we are going to do. Some students have asked me to do application of integrals. So today's session I'm going to totally devote to application of integrals. Whatever doubts you people are having, I'm going to clear the doubts. You can send me the questions also. Whichever part question doubts are there, you can send me the questions. This question is done, miss. I will be proceeding to next question. What's undone? Shall we go for the next question, Peter? Shivaranjani, done case-based study question also get ready for. Case-based study only, I need to solve properly. Get ready, I'm going to give the next set short questions. Now look here. Second question I'm going to solve for you. This is a question which came in board examination, and this is for application of integrals important part. After it MCQs and other part we are going to do. One question is given. Just check this question out. This question came in CBSE 2014. Yet this question needs some assistance from your side. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve the question. Okay. First, be serious about what people, because see, I'm having other works also. 10th also exams are there. They're waiting outside, they're playing down. Parents are sending them. In between 1 hour gap, I have to cover both. I cannot wait for you for 1 hour. You are eating, that means what I should wait? Now come on, go for this question. Enough of class 12 arrogance. This is too much. As if I am kept slave for you people. Till you people will be studying, I will be talking whatever you people will like. Correct now? So right, using, now start solving the question. For you people, I did not went to school today. Since morning you people are enjoying. Like this, if you will do means board exam, you forget about. This is not the level of seriousness I'm looking forward for students. All of you. So right, using integration, find the area of the region. Everyone start solving. Find the area of region. Find the area of region bounded by the line. Either be serious or leave me. That's it. Find the area of the region bounded by the line 2y is equal to minus x plus 8, x-axis and the line x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. First we are going to bound the region. Come on, start doing the work. So we will be first drawing the line. After drawing the line only, we are going to enclose the region. That's very important. Understood? So first we are going to draw the line. So draw the line first. This is the line given 2y is equal to minus x plus 8. So our first work is on x-axis. We are going to draw the line. Got it? So this question is important question. For these type questions only nowadays they are asking. Where is Shakti? So we are going to draw first this region. So now look here. In the solution part, since morning you could have come and you could have practiced maths. Here you are sitting means definitely by my torture you people will study. So first work is the equation given is 2y is equal to minus x plus 8 This is the equation of line. Okay. So now first time we are going to trace it and solve. This is x and this is y. One time you take x is equal to 0. One time you take y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what will come? 2y is equal to 8. When x is equal to 0, so y is coming as 4. Therefore, y is coming as 4. Second part, when y is 0, when y is equal to 0, then x will be coming as 8. So 0 is equal to x minus 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. So this is the way to draw the line. Application. Is this application to Maharashtra boards? No, this is for CBSE. Now look here. We are going to draw. Application is same. Rules and regulations are same. It's not like it is one place, one type, another type. Okay. So all you just to do. So here when x is equal to 0, y is coming as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will place one here, x is equal to 0, y is coming as 4.8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When y is equal to 0, x is coming 8b. This part. Now this is enclosed. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now x is equal to 2. And x is equal to 4. So this is the bounded region because they have given that the line. So this is the line is enclosing the part. After that x-axis. So other enclosure is coming from x-axis. Then x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. All these are enclosing the region. So whenever you are finding for enclosing a region, right? Don't wait. Start solving. I will wait. So this is the question. They have given the equation of line x-axis. Which axis? X-axis. So this is what axis? X-axis. And then x is equal to 2. Where is x is equal to 2? So when x is equal to 2 means this vertical line. X is equal to 4 means this line. Understood or not? So now which is the enclosed region? This will become the enclosed region. Once this is coming as the enclosed region, that means we are going to draw the rectangular strip here only. So this rectangular strip length will become y and width will become dx. Understood? So once we have done till here, now we are going to solve the question because most of the parts are like that only, nothing big work you have to do. Okay? So this section till here it is done. After that, what did I say? I said that, okay, this region. So we slice the region into vertical strips. So we are going to name the region. What and all are the points here? We will write it as A, B, C, D. So area of region is equal to area of ABCD. Understood? So now here before that we will write we slice the region. We slice the region into vertical strips. Understood? So once you are slicing the region into vertical strips, now you have to approximate the rectangle from A to B. Approximating and approximating the rectangle from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. So we are approximating the rectangle from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. Understood. So x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. So once we are approximating the rectangle from x is equal to 2, so what is the length? Length will become modulus of y and width will become dx. So area will become modulus of y dx. So please remember this. This is exactly the way to proceed and solve the question. Are you understanding? First, Santosh, little bit write. In absence of writing means you wrote, got it? So now look here. Area is coming this much. So now what is the next part area we are going to write? So here area will be area of region will be equal to. We will bound the region from x is equal to 2 to 4 modulus of y dx. So here it will become 2 to 4. What is modulus of y? Because equation is coming, this point will be considered as px comma y. Understood? So px comma y is exactly the point on line and this point will be exactly representing the equation of line. So what is the equation of line? So here 2y is equal to minus x plus 8. So y will be equal to minus x plus 8 divided by 2. Done. So we will be writing here minus x plus 8 divided by 2 dx. Got it? So 1 by 2 we are going to take it out. So for CBSE don't keep steps. CBSE says that if I'm okay with writing the steps properly. This part is coming as 8 dx 2 to 4. That's it. So when you are solving this part, make sure that you are writing it properly. Now integration you have to do. Come on, start integrating it and write the values. See, look here. Once you are integrating this part, it will be coming as 1 by 2 outside. It will become minus x square by 2. This part is coming as 4 and 2 plus 8x 4 and 2. Done. And 1 by 2 is outside. So 1 time it will become 4 4 16. So minus 16 by 2. And then here it is coming as minus into minus plus. How much it will come? 2 2s are 4 by 2. This section is over plus 8 into 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So here it is coming as 1 by 2. This is 2 8 plus 16. Here 2. So how much it will come? Minus 8 plus 2 plus 8 to the 16. So here it is coming as 1 by 2. 18 minus 8 will be coming as 10. So it is coming as 5 square units. So area is coming as 5 square units. And this is the way to proceed. Area is coming as 5 square units. I hope you might have understood. Vishwa, did you understood the procedure how to do it? So one question you need to solve on your own. Understood? This one you understood? See the steps very clearly. What and all work are done there is very much needed because until and unless that section is not complete, it will be very difficult for you to go with the sections. Understood or not? So be very careful and start doing the work. So this is what the first part of the question is about. It's not a tough question. Did you got this? Correct or no? Did you got this? Is it going to be difficult for you to solve? Shall you go for the next part, please? Shall you go for the next one? Ready? The next question is because most of the students they are asking that will this type questions will come in examination or not. So this is NCRT question. First we are acquainted with NCRT question. Find the area of the region bounded by the line y is equal to, write down, find the area of the region bounded by the line y is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 2. X axis. This is first I am teaching basics. Now based on this basics in shortcut, we are going to solve MCQ questions, case study. Today itself we will solve MCQ questions and case studies based on these concepts. Understood? So let's get ready for it. So first I am building the concepts, how you are going to write, not for case study and MCQs. Case study MCQs means in shortcut we can do, correct? But for long question answers, when they will be solving, giving you to solve means you need to solve by proper method. Okay. Good afternoon, Raj. So your examination, CTET exam, 8 February now. X will be equal to minus 1 and x will be equal to 1. Come on, start doing it. First, same pattern question. One more time I have given. This is NCRT question. So please kindly go for it. First, do it until and unless your hand will not do the work means you will never be able to solve the question. So first is you should be knowing what you are doing. After that only you will be able to learn it properly. Yes. So let's go for it, please. Check this one out. So now when they will be giving you again in solution section, what work we have to do? In solution section, what work we have to do? Equation of line is given. What is the equation of line? Equation of line is y is equal to 3x plus 2. Now make box. One time you put x is equal to 0 and one time you put y equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is coming as 2. When y is equal to 0, x is coming as minus 2 by 3. Done. So this is enough to draw, correct? Understood. So now look at it. So first one, what we are going to do is x is equal to, now we have to trace the point y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So here it will become, if it is 1 means it is less than 1 means this is the point and it is coming as minus 2 by 3. Come on, check this one very nicely. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Next part is x is equal to minus 1, little gap I am giving so that it will be okay. And then next point is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Fine. So we are going to draw this now. Nice. I am going out of tension. Okay. So this is exactly the line we have to draw. So this is the line. Now next is our track point is x-axis. So this is x-axis. Here I am just changing one. At this point I am taking it as minus 2 by 3. Okay. And here x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. So we are going to draw this one line here. This is our bounded part. Another bounded part is coming as x equal to 1. Okay, so our bounded regions are coming between 1 and minus 1. Okay. This person is not having any other word now. No. Now look here. This point we are going to put. This is the region and this is the bounded region. So exactly the line is divided into two portions. Can you check this part out? So this section is coming, understood. So now here we are going to put the mark as this part will become A, this part will become B, and this part is coming as C, this part is coming as D, and this part is coming as P. So we have to find the region, area region, this part and this part we have to find, correct? So these two portions is the area of the bounded region because x-axis is bounding, x equal to -1 is bounding, x is equal to 1 is bounding. So children who had doubt in this sections, please kindly see same pattern question again I have given you so that you can solve. Now same statement, two times I have written the statement, same statement. We slice the region into rectangular strips. What you are going to slice the region as? Rectangular strips. Understood. So this bit will become y and this part will be taken as p xy. Understood. So once we have done till here, now we slice the region. Area will be what? Area of region will be equal to area of ABC plus area of ADE. Did you got it? Huh? So area of ABC and area of ADE. These two regions we have to find. Now we slice the region into rectangular strips approximating the rectangle. So here rectangle will approximate from which regions? Here we can take it as QX by understood. So this part, so approximating the rectangle. So here rectangle will approximate from minus x equal to -1 to -2 by 3 and then -2 by 3 to 1. Are you understanding? So this is the major part. Please remember this one. So once this section you are writing, you need to be very careful. So when you are writing approximating the rectangle and that part in previous question what I have written the statement, same you have to write. We slice the region into rectangular strips approximating the rectangle between -1 to -2 by 3, -2 by 3 to 1. So here -1 to -2 by 3 modulus of y dx plus -2 by 3 to 1 modulus of y dx. Understood? So y dx is representing 1. My voice is audible. Is my voice audible? Okay, Vatsal. Now look here, beta. So when we are Kirti, if you will inform means Kirti can also practice. Audible, no? Okay. So now look here. So now we will slice the region. Always I told you कि whenever you will be going below x-axis, the moment you are going below x-axis, this part will become negative. So equation of line will become negative below x-axis and equation of line will become positive above x-axis. Understood or not? So here what we are going to do? We will write -1 to -2 by 3. What is the equation of line? Y is equal to 3x plus 2. But here it will become minus 3x plus 2 dx plus here it will become -2 by 3 to 1. Here it is coming as 3x plus 2 dx. Done. Come on. This is the only last part we have to do. Now please calculation is in your hand. Don't waste the calculation work because from here only major mistake you will do. Come on, go for the calculation part. I will merge 2-3 figures together also and will give you questions because latest CBSE portion questions now I'm going to give. Come on, go for it. So minus section will come out. This part will become 3x square by 2 plus 2x minus 2 by 3 to -1 plus 3x square by 2 plus 2x 1 to -2 by 3. This is exactly the work we have to do. Once we have written till here, now minus part to leave as it is. Here it will become 3 by 2 and here 2 by 3 2 times. So 2 times means negative will become positive. Then minus 1 will come means it will become plus 2 over. Now here it will come as this part is 1, so here it will become 3 by 2 First part is 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Then this will come here, it will become minus 2 because this part will multiply with this also now. So 2 by 2. Then you take minus, and then you write minus 1 will go there. It will become minus. Next time minus 1 will come in place of x means minus 1 whole square will become 1, so 3 by 2. And then here it will become minus 2. This one work is over. After that, the second part, check this one out. Same section, one you are going to put means it will become 3 by 2 plus 2. And then this part you are going to substitute here is 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Minus part we are substituting. So it will become minus 2 into 2 by 3. Okay. So now here minus part it is coming as 4 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Okay. Then minus, and it is coming as 3 minus 4 by 2 plus here 4 plus 3 7 by 2 minus this cancel. It is coming as 2 by 3 minus 4 by 2. Done. So last calculation section only. See last calculation only is very clear here. So minus 2 by 3 minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Okay. And then plus 7 by 2 minus, it is coming as minus 2 by 3. So plus 2 by 3. So now here cross multiply, it will become minus 4 plus 3 by 6. Here also 21 plus 4 by 6. So it is minus 1, so plus 1 by 6 plus 25 by 6. It is coming as 26 by 6. So 2 3 is 6, 14 by 3 square units. I rest my case. 13 by 3 square units. So like this only you can solve the question. 13 by 3 square units is the perfect correct answer. So now like this calculation, yes, I'm going to put it down. This is NCRT question, and this type question means you need to have proper solving method. Till you will not practice, you will not be able to get this. This is the most important problem. In 12th class, until and unless you will not solve, you will never get the solution. If your maths door is closed, means other doors will automatically become closed. Practice, note down like this only we have to solve the questions. Go continue on. After this, we are going to solve questions. I'm giving you some questions, and you are going to sit here and solve. The solution I am giving you, so then you will practice. So your exams are not coming 3 days continuously. You people are going to sit here and practice. Hereafter. Yesterday I made one rule now. Which day you have to do physics, which day you have to do maths. So 3 4 days you have to solve particularly maths. So focus only in maths. I will teach 10th class also. You are going to stay here and you are going to practice maths. No going here and there. Otherwise, I will call your parents and inform. Wait. After this basic class, I am going to start questions and answers of application of integrals. Okay. Till here done means I hope it is done. Now we are going to go for one more question because most of the time now modulus related questions are very killer. If modulus related questions coming means it's like statement related question because this question came in CBSE 2014 and nowhere they told that ki bhai we will not ask this question. They are free to ask this question after a long gap. They can ask this question. And what is the question given to you is this question is for Podi also because Podi and all they had doubts in modulus section and other section part. So today I am ready to start till 11 o'clock night. You people have to mentally get ready like ki she will be teaching means I have to be present in the session. Are you understanding? I'm ready to stand till night, but one by one. 11th also, 10th also, 12th also, 10th also, 12th also. I need to do justice with both the classes. Now look here. Get ready for it. Now check this one out. What we have to do here is another question given to you is कि y is equal to 1 plus modulus of, get solve this question very nicely, x plus 1, bounded regions are x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. Very carefully design this question and solve. Y is equal to 0 is also one of the bounded region, bounded part. Come on, go for it please. Carefully learn this, nicely learn this. Come on, go for it please. Try this question. First one, modulus will give two values. One time modulus will give you positive value and another time modulus will give you negative value. So two values of modulus is possible. This is one of the expected questions because this is NCRT exemplar question plus NCRT exemplar questions plus 2014, 2018, they have already hit these questions. So already when they are hitting the questions 2 to 3 times means this question ultimately becomes important for you. I hope you might have understood this one. So come on, go for it. First, only one thing I will teach. From the beginning of the session, I told you about modulus. See, it's not so easy to solve to this platform. First, to understand, these type questions are not so easy to hit first. You need to be very acquainted and you need to be knowing what in all ways you have to approach and solve the question. Please understand this. Understood? So now look here. So when 1 plus, first so whatever is present in the modulus, you have to make it equal to 0. I hope you might have understood. So x plus 1, make it equal to 0. So what is the value of x coming? Minus 1. Once you have written till here, now that means modulus of x plus 1, it will have two values. One time it will be 1 minus x plus 1 when x will be less than minus 1. Got it? Because x is equal to minus 1 is the target. Next part, it will become 1 plus x plus 1 when x will be greater than equals minus 1. So this is the limit. Understood? So now look here. Once you are solving this question, this part will give you what and this part will give you. So overall minus x, this part will come as minus x when x is less than minus 1 and this is x plus 2 when x is greater equals minus 1. Now area of bounded regions, understood. So we have to bound the region because we got two lines here. It is not one line. How many lines we are getting here? Two lines. One line is, so therefore we have two lines. First one is y is equal to minus x. This is first line. Second line is y is equal to x plus 2. This will become line number 2. Now we have to draw both the lines and we have to find the intersecting point also. This is the problem. We have to find the intersecting point between these two lines. Got it? So this question when it is coming means close your eyes and think that okay fine, I have to be very much near the point and I have to write it very perfectly. So first our work is to draw both the lines. Got it? And then intersecting point between both the lines. Got it? So now we will add and solve to get x and y, because one line and another line intersecting means 100% there will be some point of intersection. So now solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. So here if you add, this is coming as minus x, y is equal to x plus 2. So here this will cancel, 2y is equal to 2. So y is coming as 1. So once y is coming as 1, so when y is equal to 1, what will be the value of x? 1 is equal to minus x, so x is coming as minus 1. Please pay attention for this. So x value is coming as minus 1 and y value is coming as 1. So that will become the intersecting point between both the lines. Understood? So this will ultimately becomes the point of intersection between both the lines. This is something you must remember. So first work is we are going to draw the line. Please pay attention for this section. Scolding is one part. I am scolding because I am having expectations from you people. If you will do mistakes, I will scold. That's the duty of a teacher. So now look at. So get ready for it. So now look at what is the intersecting point between both the lines. See, second line equation is y is equal to x plus 2. We must know now how this line is exactly going to draw. That's an everybody please pay attention for this. Y is equal to x plus 2. First two we got the intersecting point. So therefore two things are there. Parallelly I am doing two work. First I am drawing it, and second part is I am finding the intersecting point, because this is one line and this is another line. So now if both the lines are present there, what work we have to do? So both the lines are there. So now look here. So once you are writing, now one by one I will be with patience. We have to solve this question. So once you have patience, means you'll be able to solve. Otherwise, story over. Govinda only will happen. No, the last limit I can't stretch it. So I'm going to draw that here. But important information I'm going to write here. So one equation of line is y is equal to minus x. Make the box 1 time x and y. 1 time x is equal to 0, y is also coming as 0. So when x will be equal to minus 1, y will be equal to 1. So definitely when one is coming as minus, another one will be coming as plus. This is one part. Second part of the equation is y is equal to x plus 2. So when you are writing this part, check this one out. This is x and y. This is 0 and this is 0. When x is equal to 0, y is 2. When y is equal to 0, x is coming as minus 2. This is shutting the most important point down. Understood now? But here now, this points is enough to draw the line. But that is not going to bound the entire region. Because what is the intersecting point? Intersecting point is intersecting point between the line. Between the line is x is equal to minus 1 and y is coming as 1. So let's draw it first. Okay. So y is equal to minus x. So if somebody will say that draw y is equal to minus x, I will just draw like this. Because whatever will be the negative value of x, positive value part will be coming. Correct. Now second point is when x is equal to 0, y is coming as 2. So 1 and 2. So x is equal to 0, y is coming as 2. When x is equal to y is equal to 0, x is coming as y is equal to 0 minus 1 minus 2. So the line will be just going opposite. Check this one out. This time the line will be drawn like this. After that I will take care. Disaster management I will do, don't worry. That is the disaster management is here this. We will remove this part and we will write here if it is minus 1, then this part will become minus 2. So the contact point is done, but this is intersecting point, and we know very well What is the intersecting point between both the line? Minus 1 comma 1. So the intersecting point is minus 1 comma 1. That's it. This is the end because this point is coming as 1. Now we have to trace, we have to find the region. This section is not going to be included. Got it? Final diagram when you are drawing, that is going to do the remaining part of the work. Now what and all things are there? X is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. So we are going to draw x is equal to minus 3. This is the bounded part, x equal to minus 3. This part is coming as x is equal to minus 3. Next part is x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1, 2 and 3. So now we are going to draw x equal to 3. So what is the bounded region? Let's see what and all are the bounded region. After that they said the bounded region is coming from y-axis. Which axis? Y-axis is exactly going to bound the region. So here y-axis, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 coming where? Where is y equal to 0? Excuse me. Where is y is equal to 0? If somebody will ask you, where is y is equal to 0? Where is y is equal to 0? Nice. Where is y is equal to 0? Where is y is equal to 0? One simple question I asked. Where is y is equal to 0? One simple question I have asked. Online children, where you will find y is equal to 0? Which region you will find y is equal to 0? On center of origin. Center origin is both x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Paityam. Hey. When is y is equal to 0? Cheek. Like this examination before if you speak means seriously very bad. When is y is equal to 0? On x-axis y is 0. This is the line where y is 0. Y is equal to 0 on x-axis. Yes ma'am, so only I am telling. You are talking about origin. That's what I said. X. Now we are going to trace this part. Come on, color it now. Beautiful color you do. Pink color. So this is one limit because this is representing one line. So this is one line, this is one region. So modulus questions must be done very carefully. This is one region bounded. This, and this. We'll start it with A, B, C and D. Done? Now listen, second part is when we will be bounding the another region, this is bound of another region. You people now, your full habits are like KG children. I don't know how you are reached to this level, reaching is very difficult. So now look at, so these two strips we are going to draw, one will be exactly this part, PXY, we strike the region into rectangular strip. PXY is on which line? A. PXY is on which line? PXY is on line y is equal to x plus 2. Got it? QXY is on which line? Another rectangular strip we are going to draw. This part will be coming as QX1. It is on which line? We will take Px1 y1 and here it is x2 y2. Safety. So here this part is dx and this part is y1. This part is y1 width and this part will become y2 width. Dx remains the same. Length width remains the same. This is line y is equal to minus x. First to draw this. Take your time and draw this because this is not a small question. Like this means first mental stability is needed. I'm alright, I'm alive. But the way 12th is reading means soon I will not be alive because of them. They will be the reason of I am power. You are never power. Now listen. Now region division is done. Everything is sure shortened. Now look here. This part minus 3 to minus 1 and minus 1 to 3 will become the reason. One time equation of line will become y is equal to minus x and this part will become y is equal to x plus 2. So literally figure this drawing itself is the massive part. You will get 1.5 mark if you will draw it correct. Yes, in application of integral, the entire pillar is on the graph. Little bit graph went here and there means you will go here and there. Definitely, you need to first understand this. First, you realize this the graph drawing is one of the basic sections you should not be leaving about. Rest of that is your wish. Go for it. Enjoy. What I do. Now, come on, go for it, please. I will be waiting, no problem. But first, y is equal to 0 is on x-axis. Remember this. At least you are responsible, they are irresponsible. Maths is on 9th March. Hmm? So now after doing this, we have to bound the area. So now we are going to bound the area. So now we are going to bound the area means the area between the two regions. Hey. After that writing, we slice the region into rectangular strip and all this thing is in your hand. So area of region will be area of region is equal to, here it is A, B, C, D, here B, C, here you can write E and F. So area of region is equal to area of A, B, C, D plus area of B, C, E, F. B, C, and E. Then now regions already you know what in all part you have to write the regions. Here it will become what? First it is starting with minus 3 to till minus 1 it is coming and that part it is representing modulus of y2 dx because we have taken the strip as x2 y2. Now here next part will come as minus 1 to 3. This part will become y1 dx. Now y2 is representing the line equation as minus x dx and here it is minus 1 to 3. This part will be coming as x plus 2 dx. That's the end of the story. This much big statement but small answer is coming. Understood? So this just you need to relax out and you need to solve the question. So now look here. This answer will be what? So first it will become minus x square by 2. Here minus 1, minus 3 you are supposed to put and here it is coming as x square by 2 plus 2x. It is coming as 3 and minus 1. I hope till here you have done nicely. Now look here. Minus 1 by 2 x square. That means minus 1 whole square. Then minus, it is exactly going to be minus 3 whole square. Then plus this part one time it will become 3 square by 2 plus 2 into 3 one section and then minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into minus 1. Now only calculation part is left. शशांक आई एम क्लास है 2 मिनट्स मैं कॉल कर रही हूँ आई एम कॉलिंग 2 मिनट्स आई एम कॉलिंग इन 2 मिनट्स So now look here. This part is coming as 1 minus 9 because minus 3 whole square is coming as 9, 1 minus 9 plus this part is coming as 9 by 2. Here 2x is there, 3 we have put. So it is coming as plus 6. Calculation only is your duty. Now here it is coming as minus 1 by 2 means it will become 1 by 4 minus 2. Done. So here it is coming as minus 8. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 9 will become 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21 by 2 minus. Here it is coming how much? Minus 8 plus 1. Minus 7. It will become plus 7 by 4. This and this will get cancelled. How much it is coming? 4 plus, here it is coming as 21 into 2, 2 1 is 2, 42. 42 plus 7? 49 by 4. So now what is the answer coming here? 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 49 by 4. Come on, solve 16 plus 49 by 4. What is the correct answer coming? 9 plus 65 by 4. 65 by 4. 64 by 4 should come. Check one time. Somewhere I got mistake. So here it will come 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. 66 must be somewhere I get mistake. Check. Little bit calculation mistake somewhere I did. It should be coming 16 units. 16 units. Square units. Because this question I solved many times. Somewhere calculation is there which is killing, but rest of the part is same only. Minus 8 is there. It is coming as 4 plus 4 4. Calculation 16 square units must come. It is a 95. Huh? 16 is coming. 16 must come here. Calculation part you check from it. That is coming as 9 by 2 plus 2 3 is 6. So 9 plus 6, 12 plus 9, 21 by 2. Oh, done. Understood. Here it is because this is not full square. This is 2 will be down. It will come as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 2. So it is coming as. So it is coming as how much? Minus 1 by 2 into it is minus 8 plus here it is coming 21 by 2 minus into minus plus 5 by 2. It is coming as 4 plus 4, 6, 26 by 2. 2 plus 2 is a 4, 3 by 2. 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. Okay. So here it is coming as 24 by 2. 24 by 2, 12. Plus 4, 16 square units. 16 square units. Answer. That's what I told now. There 1 by 4 was not there, 1 by 2 will be there. Okay. So now I'm going to take another session. In that another session, we are going to solve question answers. Okay.